Hey, welcome back to our channel. For this week's video, we'll be continuing on with our PT-M95 label maker series. This will be video number 4 in the series, and today we'll be focusing on the symbols and patterns that are already built into your machine. I know it's small, but this machine actually has, I would dare say, over 100 or between 70 and 100 symbols and patterns built into this machine if you combine them. So it does have quite a few options to play around with, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get to those. But first, please thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel. And if at any point in time you're wondering how we got this far with this machine, go ahead and go to our homepage, and we have all of our videos posted in order so you can catch up quick. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'll show you exactly here how to do these symbols and patterns that are already on your machine. So first things first is, of course, you'll want to turn on your machine. I'm just going to go ahead and clear the screen from last week. But now you can see here, you notice on this, you've got your keyboard. And you'll notice on the left right here, we've got the word symbols. We'll go ahead and click that. And you've got a few options. You've got the word basic or pictograph or print list. First, I'm going to show you the print list. And this is going to print off. Well, hit OK. You want to print it? OK. This is going to print all of the symbols that are built into your machine so you can kind of get a visual of the options. If you don't want to do this and you want to look at it digitally, I'll include a chart right here. You can screenshot it, or you can go on our website and you can look at the user manual and find one that way. But I'll include a digital version, but here's the print list now printing. I'm going to go ahead and cut that. And then you'll see here, it's small, but you have a lot of different pictograph options. Here, how far can I zoom before it gets distorted? You've got some like birthday cake and food and animals and all kinds of things. Obviously, they'll be a little bit bigger. But that's your print list to make life a little easier. So you can refer to that if you don't want to. If not, like I said, I'll have this digital version. All right, and then, so now we'll go to symbols again, and you can choose between basic and pictograph. I'll start with basic, and we're going to go ahead and hit this button, which is the OK button, /shift button. And now we're going to use our arrows, and you can kind of see all of the different punctuation you've got. Now, to speed things up, what I'll do is I'm going to include the chart for the symbols so you can kind of get an idea of what to do. I keep hitting buttons to see if there's a shortcut there. So you can kind of get an idea of all the symbols that you have. But say you liked, something different and you wanted to use an arrow, you would just hit the enter button and then the little arrow would show up. Now your next option you have is if you hit symbols and you go to pictographs, you can hit enter. Now, it's hard on here, and that's why it's so important to have this chart. Either the printout version, or if you, again, look at my digital version, because all this is going to show you is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. I think this will be cringy loud, but give me 1 second. Again, you can refer to my digital version. But see here how across the top it's 1 through 7, and then you've got A through L. So for example, A7 would be a telephone. F3 would be this little face here, so on and so forth. And that's a quick shortcut for you. Sorry for the paper. So I believe you could go A7, or A number 7? No, there's no shortcut. You got to scroll. And now you're in B's. And then, just like with this, you know what letters. So let's say I want to go to L. Oh, there is a shortcut with that. So you can go by category. So A, B, C, D. You just can't do the number. You have to scroll through till 7. But 1 through 7 is not too bad. Okay. So that's your symbols that are built on here. Your pictographs, I should say. Now, for this, what we're going to do is I'm going to clear out of here. If we hit this deco, You see design 1. So again, this little deco. You see design 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 options. I'm going to hit number 7, wild card. Label length, auto. That's based on how long your word is. Or 1.2 inches is what it will start you with if you don't pick something. With these, the 8 templates, the deco mode, these are your patterns. You can only do 1 line of text and you can't change the format. And you're also going to want at least a 1/2 inch label in this machine. I know you can technically have a 3/8 of an inch in here, but for these you want a 1/2 inch label. So I'll say okay, input text. So let's see if it lets me print this whole thing. So if I want to say Happy New Year, print. Oh, it's telling me text limit. So I've put too much in. So now we can go back. I'm going to hit design 7 still, label length. And go to 2 inches and see what it does. Input text. So let's just try to get rid of some of these. And see if it will let me print it. There we go. So you might have to play around with how much text you can put in this one line, but it should work for you. And then now you've got this preset. Now I know you're thinking, okay, well, how do I know which one? It doesn't have it on the machine. I will again put a little digital chart right here. So I'll have 3 and put it in this video of like what these are already done. Excuse me, evidently I don't know words today. What's already on this machine. So this way you could, just type in 3 like I did. So again, the patterns is deco. And you could do like design 3. Oh, I don't like that. You got to scroll. Okay, so design 3. Enter. You don't know what it is unless you're looking at the digital chart. But you do have a variety on here. And it's pretty cool for this small little machine. So we'll let it kind of go. And this one is just going to repeat everything in a double line. So those are on there. And again, so now you have symbols. And then those are in pictographs and basics. And then you have patterns all right here. And it's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on what we do next week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.